Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to see who liked your TikTok. Open the profile, select the video and see how many people have shared it. Unfortunately, in TikTok we can see who shared our videos. However, we can use the analytics section, which has all the available information about views, comments, etc. Click on the icon in the upper right corner. Click the Create Tools, Analytics, and then Content. We see all the available information. For example, this video. Comments, likes, views. Put likes, subscribe to the channel and always stay with us.